Hello, welcome to Stacey D's Kitchen. Everybody loves a gorgeous chocolate chip cookie, but today I want to show you how to make my favourite chocolate chip cookie, which is crunchy on the outside and gooey chewy on the inside. Enjoy the tutorial. First, we're going to cream together the butter and the sugar. We have 200 grams of unsalted butter, softened. Pop that into a stand mixer, followed by 150 grams of soft light brown sugar. Probably put on the blade after, anyway. And 150 grams of granulated sugar. And now we're going to cream those together. Now into the bowl, I want to add 2 large eggs, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now we're going to mix that in. Okay, when the mixture is nice and smooth, we're going to add all our dry ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda. Followed by half of your flour. There's 500 grams of plain flour in here. I'm going to put half in, mix it, and then the other half. If I put it all in together, it will go everywhere, all over the kitchen. So just half for now. And very slowly, I'm going to mix it in. You don't want to overmix it, just incorporate the flour into it and then add the other half. And here we go again. Don't worry if a little bit of flour comes out, that's going to happen. Oh, lovely. Okay, the flour has just been incorporated. Now we're going to add our gorgeous chocolate chips. You can use a combination like I have. I've used half milk chocolate and half semi-sweet chocolate drops, and there's between 250 300 grams chocolate chips, depending how chocolatey you like it. My kids like as many chocolate chips as they can possibly get. Obviously, white chocolate chips is also wonderful to use. Now we're going to slowly incorporate these into the mixture. Looks good. There you go. How long did that take? 3 minutes? Wow, we're done. Cookie dough. At this point, you might decide to take off your paddle attachment and give the rest of this to your child to enjoy, or for you to enjoy. This is my children's favourite bit. There's fights over who gets this bit. But as they're not here today, I can have it. This cookie dough can make 12 giant cookies, 24 smaller cookies. It just depends on how big you want them to be. I'm going to go for big because mine are called giant chocolate chip cookies. Get an ice cream scoop because that does help matters. And scoop a nice big ball and pop it onto the tray. This is a real treat. These are just wonderful as a treat. Picking up from school, birthday parties, tea parties, with a nice glass of milk. Wow. Okay, I'm going to roll these up into a ball and just slightly flatten them. The dough is very easy to handle. It's not sticky at all, so don't worry. Spread them out as much as you can on your lined baking tray, because they will spread. And now, depending on the size of your cookies, they need to be baked for between 12 to 16 minutes. I think these will take about 15. Let's put them in the oven. I like to do one tray at a time for a more even bake. Don't try and pack all the cookies into your oven at the same time. Do one tray and the other tray will be absolutely fine, just waiting around in the background. Once you take your cookies out of the oven, leave them on the baking tray for around 5 minutes, just to harden up a little bit before transferring them onto a cooling rack to get completely cold. The cookies are lovely and cool and ready just in time for tea. And there you have it. Now you know how to make my favourite chocolate chip cookies. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Please click the subscribe button below, and also if you have any comments, I'd really love to hear them. as long as they're nice ones. Thank you.